Shine-free matte pomade. Suavecito Matte Pomade is exactly what you've been waiting for. It's the perfect addition to any grooming kit. It works perfectly on classic, modern, retro, and old-school styles for a look that lasts all day. Water-soluble with no white residue. This lightly scented pomade combs in easily. It has a clean, fresh smell and there will be no white residue left behind. The shine-free formula is water-soluble, so it grips like wax, but washes out like hair gel. Suavecito Original Hold Pomade dries with a medium hardness without a crunchy finish. Get maximum styling flexibility that is perfect for both short hair and long hair. After a long day, touch up your style simply by adding water to reactive your do. Style with ease. This matte pomade has a creamy consistency for effortless styling. Perfect for everyone from professional barbers and hairstylists to bartenders and guys on the go. Works well for side parts, slick backs, faux hawks, and messy looks. Community trusted. Inspired by men and women who love motorcycles, custom cars, and tattoos, we know how important it is to get their trust, and we did. Suavecito prides itself on community and quality. Made 100% in the USA. The Suavecito Matte Pomade's formula is designed to provide a unique hold and matte finish. No more of that tugging hair out formula with your comb or brush as with some other products. Our pomade will glide into your hair effortlessly and cleanly, allowing you to style with utter ease. This matte pomade also has great staying power, but washes out with just water. It's everything you know and love about Suavecito pomade in a completely matte finish. Top reviews from the United States. Lives up to its reputation. Smells good, holds all day and can be reactivated with some water. Washes out clean and easy.